Hello, welcome to my channel where I share about the things that I find interesting. And today I'm going to be sharing about how to make peplum from my favorite DIY channel in 2017.
Okay, so as you can see, I have my fabric folded in half and I have the t-shirt on my fabric. Okay, I have my t-shirt at the folded side. Actually, come over here, move this chair over. Okay, so, and you want to make sure your fabric is inside out. It'll be easier, then you don't have to flip it. I'm not putting sleeves on mine because it is super hot out here. It's like 112, so. You can, depending on you, the length that you want, the length that I want goes to there. So that's how long I want mine. Mine will go like right under my, right to my knee, a little bit under. And as you can see, I'm cutting it a ½ inch bigger because for when I sew it. I'm using my overlock machine, that's why I'm using ½ inch. If you're going to sew with a regular sewing machine, then you do want to make it 1 inch bigger, okay? So as you can see, super simple. It's basically cut out now. Hope I don't cut my shirt. Ta-da! Okay, you can see the dress. Now I'm going to cut my bottom. Now I'm going to move this piece, and as you can see, I have a dress. So now the next thing that you want to do is you want to stitch down this side, stitch down that side, and across both of your shoulders. I'm going to do that to mine, and then... Okay, you guys, so as you can see, I have my dress. It's a dress right now. Okay, so now what you want to do is you want to put it on just so you know if you need to make it smaller or not. And then you want to find your true waist. Right where your belly button is, that's where you want to cut the dress in half. So, do that. I cut it in half like that. So I'm going to fold that piece down. Now you see I have a crop top and a high-waisted skirt. Okay, so now the back part of my dress, I'm going to cut that in half. Hopefully I'm doing it straight. Then what I'm going to do is take this piece, fold it like that. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut a triangle out right here. Now you can do this to the front or the back of your dress, it's up to you. So after I cut that out, I'm going to pin this part right here. And then now I'm going to sew this down. And then the next thing after I sew that down, I will have a triangle, like an opening. What I'm going to do is fold this one time over and stitch it and stitch that part down. I'm going to go do mine, then I'll show you next. Okay, so as you can see, that's my cutout. And see, that's it right there. I sewed it. Okay, and now I'm just going to take that extra piece that I had from the folded part from when I cut out my dress. I'm going to just fold it in half and then cut a half circle. And you can fold it again to make sure. Oh, look, mine says, well, no, it's not. It's almost perfect. Okay. Then what you want to do is cut 2 inches off the top, because 2 inches should be a size small. Then you want to get the waist to your bottom. This is how you know how much you need to cut off. See, I need to cut off that much more. So I'm going to fold it again, cut off a little bit more. Perfect. So that's going to fit in there like that. So now what I'm going to do, basically it's a peplum, is I'm going to turn my skirt right sides out. Then I'm going to take the peplum part and put it over it like that. Super, super cute dress. This is so cute. Okay, so I have that on there evenly like that, right? It's like making a sandwich. Okay, now for the trickier part is, it doesn't matter what side is the front or back either, is this top. So you're going to turn the top part inside out. Then you are going to put the skirt through the neck hole. Okay, so I'm going to put it through the neck hole. Then you're going to start with all your sides. And I have a seat for this one. Okay, so I'm going to take the side seam, that's the part that you sewed, of the top. I'm going to pin it to the peplum, then the side seam of the skirt. So I have 3 pieces together. I'm going to put a pin there. I'm going to go over to my other end and do the same. Here's my side seam right here. Then here's my peplum, which doesn't have a side seam. And then my skirt. So that's 3 pieces right there. Like that. Now I'm gonna do the front of my dress. So I guess this is the front because I put the square in the back, or triangle. I said the square. 3 pieces like that. Ah, poke myself. Okay. So now you're going to go to the back part. Now the back part, you're going to take the 2 pieces and you're going to fold over this little piece like that. And you're going to put a pin in that. Now you're going to do the same to this side. So now you have that like that. So remember, this is going to fold back up and it's going to be one dress. So what you want to do is this 2 pieces that's in the opening part, you're going to fold that down towards the inside of the dress and put a pin. Yes, that was a sneeze. I don't know why I sneezed. I don't have allergies or nothing like that. And then I'm going to do it one more time on the side so that this part will have a nice clean finish. And you're going to sew that, not overlock it. You're going to sew it with the regular sewing machine. Okay, so see, I have the circle that I'm going to sew around. Once I sew around it, I should be able to pull this open and it will be a one-piece dress. So I'm going to go do that and then I will show you what mine look like. Okay, you guys, so this is the back of my dress. As you can see, it has the cutout in it. I am going to try it on. I did make this dress for someone because it does have a cutout in the back, and I got like 100 tattoos on my back. Literally, I think a little bit more than 100. So dresses like this don't look that cute on me. I look like a biker chick or something. But this is the front of the dress. Now, the only thing now that I need to do is to hem it. So basically what I'm going to do is I am going to hem the peplum, the bottom, and my neck hole. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy.